Hi, in this lecture we discuss about session. In Pinescript, a session refers to a specific time in interday, okay? Less than daily time frame. Let's define a session, show a session between 10 a.m. until 2 p.m., okay? Until 40. Okay, we use input dot my time range, okay? We use input and we use input dot session, okay? Default value is a string and it's 10, okay? These two is minutes, okay? 0 minutes and 0, okay? 0 minutes. And then next is 14, okay? For example, we want 40 30, okay? For example, here is 13, okay, 29, okay? For example, 30, 29. Like this we can write, okay? And this is our session. We write just a formality plot, because if we don't write any output, it gives us error. So as you see here, we have a time range, okay? You can change it easily. Time range, okay. Then to show this session, we use time. We say if time is time frame that period is, and this is our session and our time range, if this is not now, okay, if this time is not now, so it means we are in this session. So we use bg color, okay, and say if not none, t is this. If this is not now, so color that's red, paint color the red, otherwise no, none, nothing. As you see here, for example, go to a less. As you see here, from 10, okay, from 10 until 14, 13, okay, until 14. For example, until 14 we can change it. We have a different color. It determine our session. We can change, as you see, it changed, okay? This is session and any other thing, time, session, no, it's enough.